Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download FIFA 23 on PC. Don't worry, it's a very quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type EA application. Okay, so you just have to follow what I'm going to type here, EA application, and then tap this, download the EA app. Okay, click this one and it will take you directly to their site. Okay, this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to just simply click this download the EI app button. Okay, tap this, and then you will see above that it is now starting to download. Once done, click the folder, or you can go directly to download folder. Tap this, and here, what you want to do is to right click this one and tap Run as Administrator. Now you have to wait as it is processing. So once done, this is what it looks like. So you can sign in using your Google account and Facebook and any other accounts here. If you don't have an account yet, tap this create account. If you have an account already, you just have to simply provide your email address, password, and click sign in. So this is EA application. Now what you want to do is go to the search icon here and then type FIFA 23. Okay, and then click enter. So this is FIFA 23. You just have to tap this one. And in order for you to get this, you have to pay for this amount here. Okay. Now, if you want to know more about this game or how to pay, you can tap this select plan, and we have two options, pay monthly or annual. So if you want to pay monthly, you just have to click this continue. And then here, we have here payment information, payment providers, payment methods. So you can pay via GCash, credit card. Just provide your credit card number and so on. Also provide your PayPal account here, and then once done, proceed to review order. And then once you have a link your PayPal, what you want to do is to start membership. Click the start membership. And that's how you purchase and download FIFA 23 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.